Okay, now that you have successfully created your account, you tap on go to next page for your account to be verified, to be activated. You still tap on here this green stuff again, click here to verify your login. You have successfully verified your account. Please so as you can see here now, my balance is 0.08401 XRP. Now you have to come down here, here is your referral link, here's your referral link. You have to come down here, request withdraw. Then here you'll be asked to set your wallet address. For those of you that are having Binance, for you to get your XRP address, you open your Binance app. You open your Binance app. Through your Binance app, you here this is how it's going to display for you. Tap on deposit. You tap on deposit crypto. Then you search for XRP Ripple. You click on Ripple again itself. Okay, then you copy these two address. You copy these two address, you paste it there. Do you get? You paste it there. You paste it there. Then you come back to get your destination tag. Here is your destination tag. You have to copy it again and also paste it there. Then tap on confirm to add details. It's because I've used this before. Then you tap on confirm details. After that, you will come back to that after you might have linked details with it, you come back to request withdraw again. Then your own amount will be displaying